is a point of interest for anyone who really just is tired of being sick and tired. You know, you are not a victim and you can shift your reality. So no matter what the outside world is saying to you, because it will continually mirror back that old subconscious programming, because basically the world is us pushed out, right? So let's make this simple, because we don't need any BS when we're trying to make a timeline shift. Now, do we? No. So the thing we want to focus on is choosing your frequency. The outside world, they're not too interested in that. They're going to want to remind you of how limited they think you are. You know, they're not in charge of you and what type of reality that you can create for yourself. They're just running through your holographic universe with their little programs thinking they know, but they don't. You know. You're in charge of your holographic universe, and you're the one who decides what version of yourself you want to align with.
Now, for example, if you are someone in your past that has been ostracized, scapegoated, misunderstood, the new timeline in which the new frequency you're going to choose is going to align with being fully supported, being accepted, and fully loved. Now, it's going to feel uncomfortable, especially when you're going through the shift, but you must align with your new attributes. You must look for the evidence that says it is true in your reality, no matter how small these pieces of evidence present themselves.
And that is how you create a successful timeline shift, and I will say a rather quick one as well.